one night's work.
It's like 5 pieces.
Luke is going to go get some ramps. I think he's over there. Yeah, here he comes. Oh, big boy. So Luke's got some ramps. We're going to ramp Jimny up. Now I've started taking everything off, but we've got to take it off. And then we can see what we can do. Yeah, boy! So, we're going to start building soon. We're going to cut these, we'll just give them a bit of a haircut. And then we're going to start building the comp style bull bar, comp bar boss. Yeah. So what's the plan?
To do it for almost nothing.
Ooh.
Almost nothing. We got MIG wire, gas.
Big welder is God's blessing to fabricators.
We'll have a $1 budget.
We'll have a $1 budget, alright? $1 budget build, car, comp bar, $1 scraps. Let's go! So I think I wasn't recording before. Again.
Oh, really? That's right.
Alright, so we've got an angle. We're going to chop it here. And we've cut our chassis rail on the car, which is probably something you shouldn't do, so definitely avoid that when I give you guys a run through. So, we've got our chassis rail here. I'm going to continue when we're done cutting. So Luke, tell us what's up.
That's what we just made. That now just slides up underneath there. And that is going to be the base for the whole bar. We're going to make some plates that we're going to weld right through there. Then we're going to make something that goes on the outside too. We're just taking it step by step because we got no plans.